Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's early in the morning and I am catching some natural sunlight indirectly. I am currently in my kitchen. I thought there will be less of traffic noise, but anyways. So I was checking up on my asterias. These are the small ones, and some of my asterias that were potted in a big pot were having this deformed issue where they seem like they have become half because the bottom part have become compacted. Now many people say that it's because of dehydration, but I think it's because of when the surface was exposed to water that retained for a very long time. Also, the bigger ones, the V-shaped ones, are perfectly fine. They are fine with new roots, but these small astrophytums are struggling, and I think the cause is lot of inorganic material, and the soil became compact because there's it's dense, it's garden soil mixed with sand. The bigger granules do fine, but I think the water retained for a very long time and they form this very weird notch kind of which is very weird. So I'll be repotting, and I have made new soil which I use mostly for my succulent. I don't know, I experimented on them because I thought they will handle it. Anyway, so this is my soil. Look how chunky and nice is this soil. It's more than 95% inorganic material with the gravel, granite, perlite, cocoa fiber, little bit of garden soil and little bit of compost, charcoal, fungicide, and let's zoom you guys in and what these babies are. When the succulents or cactus are of bigger size, they have good immunity to fight diseases, fungus. They can tolerate different conditions better. So these are very much fine. Astrophytum, asterias, V-shape, and they are doing really good. Even if you will keep them in 100% sand in terracotta pot or clay pot, they will do fine because again they are stronger. And the soil, when it comes to soil, the particle size, the bigger the better, because smaller size tend to hold a lot of moisture and water, which succulents do not like because they themselves store a lot of water. And a few days back I actually potted some of my succulents, including cactus, which got rotten because I forgot adding fungicide in the water. So yeah, do add fungicide regularly when you are watering. These astrophytums are very small, and I don't know what happened to them, to be honest. I changed the soil. I hope they will do better. Also, the size of the pot matters because the bigger pot again will hold a lot of moisture, a lot of water, and you can dust off any dust particles with a brush. So I will definitely update you guys after a few months if they are alive or not. But yeah, the bigger chunks like gravel, perlite, pumice, charcoal, they will not retain water and they are really good for succulents. So these were some of my tips, and I will be back with another video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new.